Hello everyone, my name is Seth Fike with Scanco Software Solutions, here to do another unboxing of the MC9300. Today, we're going to give you a real-life experience of unboxing this back in our studio to make sure you understand what you're getting when you order this device. Now we're back in the studio unboxing the MC9300. It's a wildly popular device. It's going to have a classic Zebra boxing here. As I open it up, now we're looking at a nicely packaged MC9300. This is a mobile computer from Zebra, what I would call the bread and butter. If you're looking here, you'll notice that this is the startup guide. It has a nice QR code that's going to take you to the quick startup. Now, as I take this out of the packaging, you'll notice a couple things with this particular unit. First of all, it comes with a battery. This is a standard capacity battery. This battery is also available in an extended battery life, so it can go up to 24 hours. On the bottom of the device, you'll notice this is where you can slot it in. So if you do have multiple batteries, you can actually replace it on the fly. This is going to have a full numeric and alpha keyboard. It's going to have a large screen, and this particular unit is also long range capable, meaning we can scan a barcode from a longer distance of up to 60 feet. This is an ultra rugged device with a pistol grip, so it's going to be very easy for the particular user to actually use. Again, this particular device is a long-range scanner. It's going to have the imager here. It's also going to have that pistol grip. So you'll notice here that it has a full pistol grip. It's very nice in the hand. Now, this is an Android device, full Android. It's going to have all the specs as well as the capabilities of a full Android unit. This particular device also has a freezer option that's going to let it operate in below zero temperatures. It has a condenser on it so that the screen does not fog up, and it'll allow you to work in those different verticals. This device has an 8-foot drop spec, meaning that it's ultra rugged. This device also comes with a single slot cradle. We have a couple different options. This particular one fits the actual device as well as the battery. It also comes in a 5-slot that's going to let you charge 5 different devices at once with one single port, which is a really nice feature. This particular device sits right into the cradle like that. It's a nice snap in, as well as the battery to make sure that you're not worried about it going anywhere. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing series of the MC9300 Zebra device. If this device or any of these devices interest you, please email me at sales@scanco.com.